Right then, competition time. We've just given away the Fabia VRS. This time we're giving away an off-roader. But before we get into the details, just need to move this Amarok. That's right, we're giving away the Skoda Yeti. If you've been subscribed to the channel for a while, you'll know all about us overland Skoda Yeti. As you can see, a prime example put together by some master craftsmen, myself mainly and Rob.
Hang on. Push it then.
Mella's hand underneath it.
Ready to bang wheels?
Prop tight.
Sender.
Prop
tight? Did you turn it up?
No.
Did you not? Seriously?
No.
Who's tightening that up then?
Professional spray job. I never know. We've got lift kit, off-road tyres, off-road steels, custom front bumper, receiver hitches, front and rear. Come with me. Light bar. We've had it professionally valeted, ready for the winner. So, what do you think?
Spot on.
I know it might look like there's still a bit of dirt, but we've done that on purpose. This is obviously like a Darkside flagship car. It's been all over. This mud's like memorabilia. It's a special mud, so we're going to leave it. We've got brand new overland air freshener. Doesn't smell like swamp in here anymore. Like I said, prime example, low mileage, only 108,000 miles. If you watch the videos, you will have seen this is a very capable off-roader. If I do say so myself, it's up there with the best, probably alongside the Defenders and Jeeps. Yeah, that's fair to say, yeah. It's been proven by CarWow that it is better than a G63. There's no disputing that. It's on video, so it must be true. And it could be yours for just £5. So there are a few conditions with this competition. We're giving it away in just over 2 weeks. We've got an off-road day booked at Parkwood Off Road Centre on the 10th of June. So the Saturday before, we're going to be announcing the winner. We are asking that anyone that enters this competition can be available on the 10th of June because we'd like to do the handover at Parkwood and obviously let you take it out and experience the full greatness of its off-road potential at Parkwood. It is being sold off-road vehicle. We're not selling it as a road vehicle at all, so if you're taking it away, you'll have to trailer it. I think we've said enough. If you've watched the videos, you'll know exactly what this Yeti is capable of. It has been a really, really fun build, a bit of an underdog. It surprises every time we've gone out in this, but it's time to move on. We need to make room for new projects. So yeah, like we said, you've got the chance of winning this. Just £5, link in the description. Get entering and yeah, good luck.